and my dear friends, I hope you are doing better at home. Our team name is Chennai Super Kings. Our topic name is eco-friendly technology. Our team members are Ajit, Bashant, Jashwant, Saina and me. Ajit is going to tell about what is eco-friendly technology, and Bashant, Jashwant, Saina are going to tell about one technology. And after saying one video also will play about related technologies, and at last I will tell about some eco-friendly techniques we can follow at home. Okay, now let's get started.
Hello friends, myself Ajit. I am here to tell about eco-friendly technologies. First, what is meant by eco-friendly technologies? Eco-friendly technology is used to involve clean technology, green technology, and environmental technology. Green technology is which is also involves in the technology emissions and green emissions and greenhouse effect. Clean technology which is used to involves in about the greenhouse gases and carbon dioxide and etc. effects of zero energy buildings. It involves recycled materials, etc., and biodegradable waste and emissions which are occurred in industrial emissions. Zero carbon buildings. In zero carbon buildings, we are used for the eco-friendly technologies, in which we are taking the example of edge building in Netherlands. In edge building, it consists of the biodegradable materials, and it is used to conserve the electricity to the company through in its own way. In this way, the eco-friendly technologies are very used in green technologies. We are used to remember that 3 R's principle. In 3 R's principle, reduce, reuse, recycle, in which they are used to study about the eco-friendly technologies, in which we have to pave the way to the future generations to improve the greenhouse effect, to improve the ozone layer. And in these eco-friendly technologies which are used in our daily life, if we are used to plant a plant in a week, we are used to improve more oxygen to the earth. In this way, the eco-friendly technologies are used.
Friends, this is Bashwan from EC department. Myself and my teammates have to fix one topic, that is from waste to energy, that is eco-friendly technology. In that eco-friendly technology, I want to tell about one technology, that is burial suit. Here the burial suit is made with mushrooms and some other microorganisms, and this burial suit is created by the designer Daniel Silverstein, and this burial suit technology is completely biodegradable. And from this burial suit do three things, that is aid in decomposition and work to neutralize toxins found in the body and transfer nutrients to plants for their life. And some of the questions raised from this topic, that is mostly important, that is what is the infinity of burial suit. It is very important for this topic. That is here the infinity of burial suit is nothing but it is a green funeral product, and this product helps from the toxins to plants and soils to increase the growing of plants, and it helps more for growing the plants, and it is not any harmful for the environment. The simple definition tells about the infinity burial suit means it is a green funeral product, and something it returns from the body to the earth without any harming of environment. This is green funeral product, and some of the pay to the future generations, and with the helping of greenhouse effect and organic matter. And this is tell about my technology, and my friend Jashwant, he is tell about the other technology. From this technology, the video is passing on. Please go through this. Thank you, ma'am, for giving this golden opportunity for admitting like this. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
we're doing is pulling the mercury out of the body and storing it in the mushroom body so that it doesn't seep into groundwater or seep into the soil.
I want to go out with a bang, like I've lived most of my life.
Death denial is such a part of our culture, and that manifests in our funeral practices where we embalm bodies with toxic formaldehyde.
Everything that's written about formaldehyde is true. We wear masks out there.
We want to create a cultural shift and to think about death as the final frontier, the last way that we can leave a positive legacy on this planet.
Good evening, ma'am. I am today telling about insider. It is a wind type of food. It can be filterized food materials. It is in a type of mission. It is in a type of mission. It has another name, Zara Food Recycle for W Labs and Whirlpool Corporation. Whirlpool Corporation, it is a type of a mission that used for filtering the food. It composed to takes to create 2 months. It digestion the food material take recycle 2 months or years. Zara takes this mission takes only 24 hours. In this type in this mission the result will be the filtration. It used for many users. It having plus grade. Insteading the food waste, filling up the landfills. Crowdfunding, overall it can be the rate at overall cost of this mission. It may be in $1,000 in our currency. In Indian currency, it may be the 85,000 of this mission cost. This all about the mission of it can be used for domestication process. This is known as insider.
Hello madam, good afternoon. My name is Sainath Patapati. I am from Mechanical Department 4B. My team name is Chennai Super Kings. My topic name is Eco-Friendly Technologies. Now I explain about one technology in my topic. This technology is an edible, combustible and drinkable plastic bags. It is a plastic bag. It is made out of cassava root starch, and it is made without any petroleum products. And this technology will be produced by a company Avani, based on Bali in Indonesia. Next, my teammate will be continue another technology in my topic. Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity. Thank you. My video will be playing. Please go through in. Thank you, ma'am.
Here's a piece of a cassava bag in which I'm tearing apart and putting this into a slightly lukewarm water. Our cassava bag has passed oral toxicity tests and causes zero harm to nature. It's diluting almost spontaneously, and within just 1 minute, it becomes a green drink for a greener Indonesia. We're hoping that one day biodegradable products will be the status quo, of course, for the use of plastic. These are 100% compostable and 100% biodegradable.
Respected ma'am and my dear friends, my name is Tarun. I am from ECE. I am going to tell about few eco-friendly techniques that we can follow at home. Let's start. First one is, instead of using plastic covers, carry a cloth bag when you are going to market. Second one is, nowadays the major problem in the earth is global warming. It occurs due to the more evolution of carbon dioxide. Due to deforestation, the trees cannot absorb carbon dioxide, so that in the atmosphere the carbon dioxide content increases day by day. So for this, the only one solution is plant more trees. And the third thing is, spend more time near trees instead of watching TV serials. By spending more time near trees, we can have peaceful mind, and also we get new ideas, like Sir Isaac Newton got the theory of gravitation. Fourth point, don't waste water. For example, like after washing clothes, which we used can be used for plants. And one more thing I want to say about water: one drop of poison kills 100 lives, but one drop of water saves thousands lives. And fifth thing, don't use vehicles for small distances, or instead go by walk or go by bicycle. By using this, we can reduce pollution. And last thing I want to say is, there is a lot of waste in the kitchen, like banana peels, orange peels, etc., that we can be used as compost for plants. And this I want to discuss. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Stay home, stay safe.